Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to upload a file in Drive. So go to Google, and the first thing that we need to do is Drive. Search for Drive, go to Google Drive, sign in, and then you will see this list just right here. Then we click on the plus icon and then we do file upload. Then after this we can choose a file that we want to upload. So let's say this file. The file is uploading. And if you can see, my internet is that fast. And right now, if you click here on this map, he will locate the map for me. So the map is just standing here. And if I click now on this video, oh, sorry, that is myself. We can do a few things. Now, we can share this by clicking on share, fill in a name that we can mail or send it from email, or we can do copy link and then do this. And then we can send this link to someone else. But right now you need to decide how you want to share this. But this is exactly how you can upload a file in Google Drive. And hopefully I helped you out with this video. So yes, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.